Good morning. My name is George Kadamian. I am in Montgomery, Texas. We are about 45 miles northwest of Houston. 3 years ago, we installed LeafFilter on a good portion of our home. Found it basically online as I was doing research onto what type of system would be good for our area, especially with the long southern pine needles, which get into everything. I finally decided on LeafFilter. A sales rep did come out, walked me through the process of LeafFilter. The construction, actually showed me a sample of the product. It is virtually indestructible. It has a lifetime warranty. Once again, explained everything to me, gave me a quote. If I added on additional linear feet, obviously that improved the price. We went ahead and did about 60% of the home 3 years ago. The product is just fantastic. Southern pine needles will get into virtually any other type of gutter system, not LeafFilter. The system is just great, as I said, indestructible. It had been 3 years since we had cleaned off the roofs because with the pine needles dropping all year long, it piles up on the roof. It took me virtually no time at all to clean the roofs off with a medium bristled broom on a pole from the ground. They basically raked right off. Took me less than an hour to do about 100 linear feet. We then again this year said, that's enough. Let's do the rest of the gutters. And that was less than a month ago. The installation is a breeze. They come out, they clean the gutters out so that everything is free flowing. They attach the LeafFilter to the gutters. It's secured with both screws and caulk. So as I said, it's virtually indestructible. Stainless steel, tightly woven screening on a heavy duty frame so that if branches or anything drop on it, nothing happens. I mean, it is a great product. You will not be dissatisfied. You will not have to worry about changing out the screening system every few years because the Texas sun rots out the product, or pine needles, because they're so fine, still get into the gutters. Not with LeafFilter. Fantastic product. You will not be disappointed.